How to fix Reddit down error. In order to fix a Reddit down error, you have to first determine if the problem is universal or specific to your device. You can just check the official page or check redditstatus.com for a real-time update on server performance and major incidents as well. Now, what next you want to do is you just want to make sure to go ahead and what you could do is just go ahead and make sure to open up settings on your device, locate network and internet, check whether you have a stable internet or not. While you're in this section, you will also want to go to apps and locate Reddit. Over here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. That can also help you out. However, if the issue still persists on, what next you will also want to do is while you're in the section, or you just want to close this up, go to your Play Store or an App Store, type in Reddit, and make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. And you also want to make sure that you have any sort of extensions of VPN. You might want to disable that, as that can cause an issue as well. So these are a couple things you could try in order to fix Reddit down error. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.